Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 EMA on MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to insert here at the top left. Click on it. We have here indicators, trend, and go to moving average. Click on it. We have here period, change it to 20. We have here method, make sure you choose exponential because EMA stands for exponential moving average. Okay, so click on it. We have here style, this is for the color, you can change it if you want. So I will choose, for example, this color, white. And we have here the thickness of our moving average or our EMA. So I will choose, for example, this one and click on OK. And as you can see, this is our 20 EMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.